How make iron and other metals? Hey friends, have you ever wondered how we get iron, steel, and other metals that are used in everything from cars to bridges? Well, in today's video, we're going to take a deep dive into the process of turning raw ore into usable metal. From mining the earth to melting and refining, let's explore the incredible journey of metal production. Metals are naturally occurring elements found in the Earth's crust, often in the form of ores. These ores are mined and then processed to extract the metals. One of the most common metals is iron, which comes from ores like hematite and magnetite. But metals like aluminum, copper, and gold are also found in ores, each with their own unique processes. The first step in metal production is mining the ore. Huge machines are used to extract metals from the earth. Once the ore is removed, it's often crushed and ground into small pieces to make it easier to process. Now let's look at one of the most important processes, smelting. Smelting is the process of heating the ore to a high temperature to extract the metal. For iron, this is done in a blast furnace. In the blast furnace, coke, a form of carbon, is used as fuel to heat the furnace to extremely high temperatures, sometimes reaching over 1,500 degrees Celsius. As the furnace burns, the coke reacts with oxygen to produce carbon monoxide, which helps remove oxygen from the iron ore, leaving behind molten iron. Next, we need to turn the molten iron into steel, which is stronger and more durable. This is done by refining the iron to reduce impurities and control its carbon content. In modern steel production, oxygen is blasted through the molten iron in a basic oxygen furnace to remove impurities like sulfur and phosphorus. This process also allows the carbon content to be controlled, resulting in steel with the desired properties. Now let's quickly look at how other metals are made. Aluminum, for example, is extracted from bauxite ore using a process called the Bayer process. Copper is extracted using smelting and electrolytic refining, and gold is often separated from rock using cyanide leaching. Each metal has its own unique extraction method based on its properties and how it reacts to heat and chemicals. Once the metals are extracted and refined, they're ready to be used in manufacturing. Iron and steel are crucial for buildings, cars, and infrastructure. Aluminum is used for lightweight products like airplanes, while copper is vital for electrical wiring. Recycling metals is an important part of metal production. In fact, steel, aluminum, and copper can be recycled and reused without losing their quality. This helps reduce the need for mining new ores and lowers environmental impact. So there you have it. From mining raw ores to refining and recycling, the process of making metals is fascinating and essential for the modern world. Iron and steel help build our infrastructure, while aluminum, copper, and others keep the world running with technology and energy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want to learn more about how the world works.